Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says, what do you mean by recapitulation theory? Recapitulation theory. Who proposed it? So इस question में they are asking that who proposed the recapitulation theory and what is recapitulation theory? So first, recapitulation theory और बायोजेनेटिक law, this states that ontogeny recapitulates phylogeny. सो इस स्टेटमेंट से वो ये बोलना चाहते हैं, इस स्टेटमेंट का मतलब ये है that embryonic development, this statement means that this statement means that embryonic development repeats evolutionary history. So, recapitulation theory states that ontogeny recapitulates phylogeny. So, this theory, ये जो theory थी, this was given by Ernst Haeckel and according to him, उनके हिसाब से ये उनकी जो ऑब्जर्वेशन थी उनके हिसाब से certain features during embryonic development, जो कुछ features होते हैं during embryonic development, certain features during embryonic development are common to embryonic development stage, are common to all vertebrates that are absent in adults. So for example, इन्होंने एक एग्जाम्पल भी दिया था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, embryos of all vertebrates including humans develop a row of vestigial gills behind vestigial gill slits behind the head. But it is only functional in adult fish. So इन्होंने ये अर्नस्ट हेकल ने प्रपोज की थी रिकैप्चुलेशन थ्योरी दैट ऑन्टोजेनी रिकैप्चुलेट्स फाइलोजेनी और उन्होंने इस बेसिस पे कहा था कि जो एम्ब्रियोनिक डेवलपमेंट के कुछ स्टेज होते हैं वो कॉमन होते हैं ऑल वर्टिब्रेट्स में. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.